Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I'll pop off.
Alright, so I already started doing the wine set coasters. Here they go. We are using Hot Pink from Craft Smarts, and we are using Royal Blue from Folk Art. And y'all know I love my Puduo Epoxy. So of course I'll be using my Puduo Epoxy. So these are the cords that I showed y'all in Lowe's in my last video. If y'all haven't checked it out, make sure you check it out after this video. But I did get a couple of these because I do, like I said, I love these for my epoxy. They're easy to clean out. So you know, before you start, you gotta do half and half with A and B, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna fill the whole thing up. I'll do half all the way up to 12, and then I'll do the other half to 24. That's good, Vivian? Oh, good.
The epoxy not in it.
Which one?
That's
good.
Okay.
Y'all enjoying this video so far. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell if you have done so as well. And this is your first time clicking on little old me, thank you. I do appreciate it and love you all. Money Gang, I know I've been gone for a minute, but your girl is back, and I hope y'all enjoying this crafting video. We're gonna switch it up after this video. I do want to have a lot of things coming up. Hope everyone having a wonderful Black History Month and had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Now we got to get ready for St. Patrick's Day. And y'all know we coming strong for the 420. So once we have now 126 subscribers. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. Normally I do it on Instagram for 420, but this time I think I'm definitely going to bring it to YouTube because I'm really trying to go hard this year more than what I did last year. This will be our second year going harder than what we've been doing when we first started because of all the surgeries. But this will be our second year with no surgeries, y'all, and we may do a giveaway. So make sure y'all definitely hitting that bell, subscribing, sharing my videos, please, because I'm trying to get to 200. Then when we get to 200, I'm going to do a little giveaway. But like always, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, wonderful week, wonderful year so far. It's February already gone. Lord, time is flying. But as we always, chase that money. Don't let it chase you. And always have a positive attitude and vibe. Love y'all. Peace. Until next time.